Any doubts in the question paper? Hello. Hello.
Sir, question number 125.
1 minute. You have the question paper with you, everybody?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. I'm sharing the question paper here now. Visible, Ra? Hello.
Yes.
Right. Now, which question number, Ra?
125, sir.
125, huh?
Yes, sir.
The plates of parabolic capacitor are circular shape. So area will be pi r square. Okay. The
Yes, sir.
circular hole is of radius r by 2 is made on the capacitance. So pi r square minus pi r square. Effective area will be 3 by 4 na.
Yes, sir.
C is epsilon naught a by d. Then a became a 3 by 4. Then 3c by 4 na.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Any other?
So the given answer is 3 by 4.
3c by 4 only na.
They gave the answer as C by 4.
Given the answer is first option.
They are not given this, not no. This is wrong. Circular hole of radius is hole is there na. Then on one plate ray. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So it will be C by 4 only.
Yes, sir.
Hello. On one plate they told na circular hole of radius how much? Which is the smallest area? Is it pi r square or 3 by 4?
Mhm.
Hello.
3 by 4.
That is wrong, Nana. Circular hole is made na. What is the see? This is the radius r.
Yes.
Circular hole is made. Let us assume it is concentrically made, not mentioned. Okay. Then this is inactive na. This will be active na. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then 3 by 4 area only na.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Understood, Nana? So there will be key correction for this one. Hello,
Yes, sir.
got it, Ram?
So question number 133.
Question number
133.
fringing. No? They should not give. They should give in the next week exam. It is called fringing effect. Uniform field with outer edges. Hello. They should give here later. Not here, none. Parallel bed capacitor, principle of a capacitor, the effect of they should give later, not now. Hello. They are given what we have to say then. See here, I will show you.
So this week, all the subjects they gave out of question questions.
What we are keep on mentioning that only they giving like that. Let us see, check this one. I will show you what is that fringing effect. There na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Next one, any are there? Hello.
149 Kennedy.
149.
150.
D bar is epsilon naught into E plus P bar only, na? Hello.
Acha, okay, sir.
Why they are giving you these? These are not in the syllabus. How they will give it a mental
Yes,
fellows?
sir. Yes, sir.
This you have done, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This one,
Yes, sir.
this one. We'll discuss this. Don't worry, Nana.
146. One can you say, sir?
It is a metal, na? Metal. So this will be like inside. There is no question of this one. So this and it is nothing but a metal sheet is introduced between the plates. What is the total separation A? Out of which here to here B is occupied. So this we can take as like a metal sheet of thickness. So D is equal to with D is equal to B. Then epsilon naught A by D minus T. Hello. Got it, Nana?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
you can people can think, sir, in between is there na? What you call these also will act like this is conducted everybody, so they will not. There is no question of capacitance. Got it? So each this entire will be a slab of thickness T equal to B. So epsilon naught A by D minus T.
Sir, 121 it will be 0, no, sir?
121.
Yes, sir.
Electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field. The dipole acts make an angle theta direction of the electric field. The orientation of the dipole for stable equilibrium 0 degrees, Nana.
Yes.
Why not given 0?
Oh, no, sir. I ticked, sorry, wrong, sir. I ticked wrong, sir. Sorry.
Answer is 0 only, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I ticked wrong.
Got it?
Yes, I got it.
Next.
So question number 124.
Polar molecules, he is talking about polar molecules and which one? Non-polar. Got it? Hello.
Yes.
Then we are talking about what is called this options are given. Reading following documents, He's given the options. We need to check them. Okay.
Yes.
Polar molecules are in the absence of electric. Correct only now. Plus and minus, they are already separated, na polar. Now are polarized
Yes.
in the presence of both are true only. No? Polar itself means polarity is there. Means center of positive charge does not coincide with like not this non-polar. Polar means like this.
Got it.
So there no need to. They'll get polarized also in the presence of L, but they by default they are already polarized. But non-polar will polarize only in the presence of electric field.
Sir, 120th one, sir.
120.
Yes, sir.
Dipole P is placed normal to the lines of force. So lines of force, these are E bar, P bar. Okay, deflecting
Yes.
through 180. So in this one, potential change is how much? 0. Na? P bar dot E bar, PE cos 90.
Yes, sir.
And then by 180 PE, this also 0. Na? U final minus U initially 0 only. Na?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Got it?
Got it, sir.
Any are there? Hello.
Sir, that 120th question, sir. It is rotated to angle 180 degrees. Means should we take with P bar, sir, or else from 90 degrees?
Initially perpendicular, na? Initially normal means E bar is like this one. P bar is like this one. What is the potential in angle 90? Cos 90 is 0 potential energy here. Then 180, turn it leftward. Then also with the field 90, potential energy minus PE cos 90. Here also minus PE cos 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0 only, na?
Yes.
U final minus U initial, na? Work done.
Yes, sir. Got it.
In a solution, they give cos 90 minus cos 270.
Array, you see, Array, if you are measuring here, cos 270 is cos 90 only. This is initial position. This is final position. P bar here, P bar here. If you are measuring from field, it is 90. If you are measuring from this, will be how much?
270.
270 is nothing but 90 only, na?
Yes.
Yes.
It just why to worry about this one? This is perpendicular. Initially, finally, like this, 90 with the E bar. Here also 90 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Don't go to the solution. Whatever they will give, they will copy from somewhere else. Got it?
So 148.
The radius of circular plates of parallel plate capacitor of is x radius. Air is the medium. So pi x square epsilon naught a by d. This is the capacitance. The distance between the plates of the is equal to an isolated sphere of radius. Then this is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught y. Correct? So pi epsilon naught cancel. Then d equal to x square by y only, na? This you have done, na? R and R dash for material. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So x square by 4y, no, sir.
4
By
by
4 by.
x square. First option they should get.
Yes, I got it.
Again that only.
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Make it koncham, I'll explain you. Wait for this one. Okay.
Which one, sir?
Last one.
Last one.
In the class we'll discuss because you should require before that integration differentiation method. Any are there? Hello.
No.
No,
sir.
sir.
This week what are our syllabus? Capacitors, combination of capacitors is there.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
You have this week, what you call,
So we have capacitance, from capacitance, principle of capacitor to effect of direct.
yes, yes, you are having, let me check it out. Capacitance principle where parallel bed capacitor, formula for capacitor without dielectrics. Series parallel combinations is there. Equivalent capacity. Problems and energy stored electric dielectric conveys. Okay. So we have total this one. Then we need to discuss about spherical capacitors also, because that is also part of the syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Series combination of capacitors. What is meant by series combination means they are kept side by side. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are connected to a battery. Plus and minus. So automatically initially current flows, charges will be there. Let the capacity of the first one is C1, second one is C2. Both are having different capacities, assume like this one. Okay. Then this will be which plate? Plus plate. This will be minus. Again, this will be plus. This will be what you call minus. Okay. Now, in the circuit, how many paths for the charge to flow? More than one path or only one path is there?
Only one path.
They'll
Only one
start
path.
here, they'll start here, then. So whatever the charge existing on the first capacitor must exist on the as well as second.
Second.
Must be same. No? Hello. Therefore, Q1 must be equal to Q, which is same. Means charge is same for C1, C2. Only one path now, charge has to flow. Okay. That means if you take this as plus Q, this will be minus Q. This will be how much? Plus Q. This will be how much?
Minus.
Minus Q. Plus and minus. So these two capacitors carry what you call equal amount of charge. This is the main rule for which combination? Series combination.
C.
Right. Therefore, we can say as Q equal to C into V, Q remains constant. This implies potential difference across a capacitor is inversely proportional to its capacity. Got it, Nana? Q is constant. Then we can say that V is proportional to which one? 1 by C. This is very, very important. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Then V1 is to V2 is C2 is to C1, we can say, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means if you want V1 can be written as C2 by C1 plus C2 of total voltage. Assume the total voltage is V. Okay. V2 will be C1 by C1 plus C2 of C1 plus C2 of total voltage. Got it, Nana? Everybody? Inversely proportional they are. Okay. Hello. That means we can say that in this series combination, capacitor is more, implies the potential difference will be what you call least. So C1 is greater than C2, implies V1 is less than V2. C2 is greater than C1, implies V1 is greater than V2. Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is as Q. So we propose more is the capacity, least is the potential difference.
Potential difference.
So more C implies
Less potential.
less potential difference. These are the values across V1 and how much V2. Got it?
Yes.
No. So why unnecessarily two capacitors? I will replace these two capacitors with that means these two capacitors are C1 and C2 given. They are connected to a battery of voltage V, VRE, anything you can say. Then across the first capacitor, potential difference is V1 across the second capacitor. Then I want to replace how these two people are working. I will replace C series, single capacitor. Why unnecessarily two capacitor? Like, what the meaning of this one is? These
plus
two
V2.
capacitors are storing the same charge Q. Then why unnecessarily two? I will replace with this one with a single capacitor, which will hold the same charge when connected to the same source or same battery. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then I can say this is plus Q minus Q plus Q minus Q. This will be plus Q minus Q.
But charge will increase, no, sir.
Charge, how charge will increase? Same charge. Hello.
Yes,
Which
sir.
is equivalent. Why unnecessarily two capacitors? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Understood, Nana? Then I can say V equal to V1 plus V2. The total potential difference is how much? V1 plus V2. So what is V? Q by C na?
Yes, sir.
Q2 by C. This V, the same operating voltage I can write as Q by C. Q1 equal to Q2 equal to Q. Therefore, 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is the rule. Or we can say C series is C1 C2 by.
C1 plus V2.
So what is the meaning here? The potential difference across the first one is V1 across them. Then the total potential across the combination is how much? V1 plus V2. That is nothing but equal to. Then the same voltage operating then replaces and then whatever the potential difference across this one is nothing but a sum of V1 and V2. V is V1 plus V2. V1 is Q1 by I assumed Q1. These are carrying different charges, but Q1 Q2 must be same. Already we know na series.
Yes, sir.
Because there is only one path for the capacitor too. Got it? So in the circuit, current initially flows. After a long time, what happens is current will become zero in the circuit. Why current will not flow means the charge on the capacitor is 0 to 1, 2, 3, so on. Finally, it reaches a maximum value Q. So once it reaches maximum value, then rate of change of capacity beyond that it is not possible. dq by dt becomes 0. That means current becomes 0. So current in the circuit will flow till these capacitors will charge up fully. Once they fully charged, what happens? Potential difference and the further flow of charge will not, then the current will be stopped. Then no current will flow through the circuit. Got it now? Hello. Copy this now, everybody. So in series combination, which remains constant?
Charge.
Done.
Done on everybody this page.
1 minute, sir.
Sir, here each plate has a plus Q charge, right?
No, not each plate. This will be which one plus? This will be minus.
Minus.
This will be plus. This will be how much? Minus. Hello. To be frankly, what happens is here, this is a negative plate is a battery. It will pump The current will flow here. This will pump electrons here. Then electrons are accommodated here. Then automatically what happens? This will be plus charges will induce. Plus means here will be because no connection is, we are not getting them. We are pumping the charges, electrons here. The negative charge will accommodate. Automatically positive will be induced. These are electrically neutral. Then minus will be induced here. And it is connected to plus plate. Minus is there. Then it will be how much? Plus. So whatever the value here, same value here, opposite sign, same value here, opposite, same value here, opposite. So that's why plus Q, minus Q, plus Q, minus Q. Got it?
Got it.
So can you zoom out, sir? Done, sir.
So, so what is written at the bottom, sir?
This one,
One second.
visible na?
So can you show the next page?
Everybody done this page now?
Yes, sir.
Done.
Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Done, everybody.
Yes, sir.
So in series combination, what is the rule? Q is constant. Q equal to C. This implies V proportional to how much?
1 by C.
1 by C. V1, V2 ratio is in the ratio of C2 by C1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And what is the effective capacity? 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus so on 1 by Cn. Got it? So therefore we can say 1 by C series is equal to 1 by C1 plus n number of capacitors. If C1 equal to C2 equal to Cn, everybody C, then 1 by C series is n by C, or C series is C by n.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Effective capacity will decrease na?
What is capital C, sir?
Got it?
Sir, what is capital C?
Capacitor, each capacitor here we represented here. See,
Yes, sir. Yes.
C1, C2, C3 all are identical.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Done, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So if you are adding capacitors in series, what happens to effective capacity? Decreases. Got it? If it is about resistors, it will increase. Okay.
Yes.
Done on everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Parallel combination. What is meant by parallel combination? It means one capacitor here, another capacitor here, plus minus plus minus. These two are connected to a source of battery. If you observe carefully, if you ignore this one capacitor, and the capacitor has what you call this plus minus V is there. Let us assume its capacity is C1, its capacity is C2. then ignore this one is not connected. Then directly it is connected to the capacitor is connected to battery only.
Yes, sir.
If you ignore this one, this is also directly connected to this battery, na?
Yes, sir.
If you ignore this one. That means in parallel combination, what happens? V1 equal to V2 equal to V. Potential difference remains constant. In series, what happens? Charge is constant. Here, charge will come here. It will come here. It will. There is a junction here, so it will divide in some ratio. What is the ratio? We'll see. That means what coming divide as Q1 and Q2. So there is a division of path is there now for the charge. Hello.
Yes.
Earlier there is no division in this case. Whatever the charge coming must pass through first one as well as through second one.
Second one.
But here there is a clear cut division is there. Charge is coming here at the junction. There is a division is there na at the junction A.
Yes.
Got it, Nana? And again at the junction B, what happens? It will come, it will come, it will combine as Q. So splitting of charges there in series or are in parallel.
Parallel.
But if you observe, what remains constant? No, potential difference remains constant.
So V
So-
is equals to C1 plus C2.
Q equal to CV. As potential difference is constant, Q proportional to C. So more is the capacity, more is the charge. For example, in this case, this is 100 microfarad, this is 50 microfarad. Then immediately charge, more charge will flow through this one, less charge will flow through this one because these are parallel. Q proportional to how much? C. More is the capacity, more charge will accommodate on. Less is the capacity, less charge will accommodate on. But again, total. Got it, Nana?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So we can say that therefore, then, so charge is coming, dividing as Q1 and Q2. Got it? So what I want to do is why unnecessarily you are using two capacitors. These two capacitors, what you call C1 and C2, can be replaced with a single capacitor C parallel, which is drawing the same amount of charge from the battery. Got it? Hello. So Q equal to Q1 plus Q2. What is Q1? C1 into V1 plus C2. Then C parallel into V. But we know that V1 equal to V2 equal to V, because if you observe, this is directly connected to the battery. This is also directly connected to, then potential difference is V. V1, V2 must be same. Got it? Therefore, we will get a cancel. So C parallel is how much, Nana?
C1 plus C.
Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So in parallel combination, what happens to effective capacity?
Increase.
Increases.
In series combination?
Decreases.
No. Not only that, and what happens to what you call Q equal to CV, as V is constant, then Q is proportional to C. This implies Q1 and Q2 are simply in the ratio of their capacitances. Got it?
Got it. So could you show previous pages?
Then what happens to Q1 value? No. C1 by C1 plus C2 of total charge. Q2 will be C2 by C1 plus C2 of total charge. Okay, Nana? Copy this, Nana. Copy this, everybody.
Done.
1 minute.
This is done. If you are done, let me know. Okay.
Done, sir.
Done, on everybody.
Yes, sir.
Copy this.
So what is CP?
C parallel, CSC C series, or C parallel, or if you want, this is also called C effective. Okay. Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes.
Done this page, everybody? So division of charge means they cannot be in series. They must be a
Parallel.
parallel combination. Done, Nana?
Done, sir.
Done.
Done, Nana, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that about what combination? Series and parallel combination of capacitors. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Got.
Done, Nana, everybody? No.
Done.
They will ask a problem basing on this one. How? Like means we'll go for effective capacitor in series and parallel. We'll do the problems. Don't worry. Now they will ask like problems. They will say that two capacitors are there connected in series. What is the maximum value of voltage or battery I can connect to this so that these two capacitors, so C1, C2 are in safe condition. So that they will give the value. So C1 is, let us say, 8 microfarad. Maximum voltage here V1, that is called rated voltage. Every capacitor cannot hold beyond certain potential difference. What happens? It will get burn off. Means why? Q equal to CV capacitor physically already prepared, physically dimensions are constant. More is the potential difference, more is the charge. Beyond certain amount of charge, it cannot accommodate. If you cross that value, what happens? It will get burn off. That is called the maximum voltage it can be. So V1 equal to, let us say, 4 volts. And they will give C2 is, let us say, some 4 microfarad. And operating voltage, let us say, 6 volts. Got it, Nana? So here, this is called maximum voltage across C1. What is this one? Maximum voltage across how much?
C2.
C2. Then he will ask what is the maximum voltage across the combination so that C1, C2 must be in safe condition. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now see the figure. They are series or parallel?
Series.
Series.
Series. Okay. Now series is there. Okay. Then will the two people must carry same charge or different charges?
Same
Same
charge.
charge.
Right. Now, according to given data, what is the maximum charge the first one can hold?
8, 9.
Hey,
4.
Q1 max is C1 into V1 only, na? How much? 32.
32.
Okay. What about second one? C2, V2.
24.
24.
That means the first one can hold up to 32. Second one can hold up to how much? Means if the second one is carrying more than 24, it will get burst, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes.
it should then which one you have to accept? Can we accept 32 or we have to accept only 24?
24.
24.
24.
24 is accepted. 32 is not at all accepted. Got it, Nana? Why we are constraining ourselves to 24 only? Because one person can have 32, up to 32. One person can have up to how much? 24. Sir, this first person is saying I can get 32. Okay, pass, no problem. 25, 26, 27, up to 32. Okay, but this person crosses more than 24 will get burst, na?
Yes,
Then the
sir.
circuit is broken. Then this also cannot hold that because circuit is broken. I cannot pump the charges. Got it? So then the maximum voltage is equal to least of Q1, Q2. So what is the least? 32 or 24?
24.
So we have to select which one only?
24.
24. Got it, Nana? Then Q equal to C effective into V. What is Q? 24 equal to what is C effective? These two are in series or parallel?
Series.
Series.
Series combination formula.
1 by C1.
C1, C2 by
Okay,
C1.
directly
C2 by
C1,
C1
C2.
plus C2.
Okay, na? So 24 equal to what is the first one? 8 and 4. 8 into 4 by 12, na?
Yes, sir.
So this will be 8 will go how many times? 3 times, no? So the V equal to 36 by 4, 9 volts, no? Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So problems they will be like this one. Two capacitors are there. One is having capacity C1 and maximum voltage V1, and there is having capacity C2 and V2. If these two are connected in series, then what is the maximum voltage I can apply so that no one will get not damaged? That is called they should be in safe condition. Got it? Then what you have to do? First we calculate what we call effective capacity of the combination. What is the effective capacity of the combination? C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Keep it. Calculate the maximum charge on the first one, maximum charge. Then don't take the highest. Always take the which one?
Lowest.
Lowest. Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes,
Then
sir.
the maximum charge you should
Yes.
allow is which one? Out of these two, which is the least one? Accept that only. Don't accept the large one, because if you accept this, okay, it will be okay, but this will get damaged. Got it?
So,
Hello.
so,
Tell Ra.
so for C1 and C2, the maximum voltage for them will be different, no, sir? Just for singular.
I can withstand up to 4. Up to 4. Beyond 4, I will get damaged. You calculate with the given 9 volts, you calculate the voltage. Calculate the voltage. You applied how much? 9. Here is how much? 8 and 6. Correct. V1 is C1, C2 in the ratio 4:3. In the ratio 3:4 of voltage. Then 3 by 7 of 9. 27 by 7. Less than 4 only, na?
Yes, sir.
V2 will be total 9 minus 4, more than how much? 5 and less than that one. Got it?
Yes.
Hello. I can have up to how many volts?
4 volt.
I should not cross 4. Here also I should not cross
6.
6.
6. So then this is a, yeah, of course you can calculate V1, V2, that is a long, this is the easiest method. So always in series combination, which is the, observe the person who is the least capacity, take the charge of that capacity only. Got it, Nana? Everybody done this one? Hello?
1 minute, sir.
Done this, everybody?
Done, sir.
This page?
1 minute, sir.
Done.
Done, everybody?
1 minute.
Clearly visible now. One person can take how much? 24. Another person can take up to 32. Then if you allow 32, the 24 person will get a damage. Got it, Nana?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Suppose, sir, if suppose these two connected in parallel, same C1, C2. What is the max voltage? So C1, C2 are in safe condition. Okay. Now what is the value is given 4 and 6 now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Microfarad 4 volt. This is how much? 4 microfarad na? 6 volts. Then parallel na? Both will having same operating voltage na? Then you have to apply V1 equal to V2 equal to the maximum voltage you should apply. You should take how much volts only?
4.
Because if you anything, if you keep it more than 4, it will be okay. What happens to this one?
Get that.
More damage na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So in series, take the least charge. In parallel, take the least voltage.
Voltage.
So V max equal to least of V1 and V2. What is the least of V1 and V2?
4.
In this example case.
4.
Got it, none, everybody?
Yes.
Series, you have to go for which one? Least charge. In parallel, which one you have to take?
Please voltage.
Least voltage. So that both will be in which condition?
Safe.
Safe condition.
Understood, none, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Got it, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Done, everybody?
1 minute.
Shall I move to the next page?
1 minute.
Done, Nana?
Done.
Understood, Ra, the difference, everybody?
Yes, sir.
No. Three capacitors are given like this one. He's asking what is the effective capacity C across A and B terminals. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, you see this. All this is a conducting wire now. Conducting wire means potential will be same. All points will represent the same. So this is connected to A. This is also connected to A. The other end is connected to B. The other end is connected to B. That means these two are in parallel now.
Yes, sir.
Then we can draw the equivalent circuit as first one, second one. That will be equivalent to in between A and B, two capacitors. So C across AB will be 2C only. Why we are ignoring this capacitor? Means if you observe here, upper end is connected to which person? B.
B.
Lower end is also connected to B only. So these two potentials are at these 2 points, these two terminals are connected to same point now. So
Yes,
will it
sir.
be working or not working?
Not working.
It
Working.
will not work. It is like this one. You have a capacitor, you have a battery. Then you apply here potential, it will work. But what you are doing here, you are taking a capacitor, you are taking a battery, such that this is also connected to again plus plate only. Then what happens? Did it get charged?
No, sir.
No, sir.
The same condition we are applying here, na? Got it?
So
Understood,
once
everybody?
can you repeat, sir? Why are we ignoring that?
See, Papa, to charge up the capacitor, the two ends must be what you call having some potential difference, na? Hello,
Yes, sir.
potential difference. Then only they can charge up, na? Hello,
Yes.
this is
Yes,
upper
sir.
end is connected to B, lower end is also connected to B only, na?
Yes,
Then
sir.
is there any potential difference between them? Here, see, this is connected to A. This terminal is connected to this terminal is connected to. So two different points is connected. So it will charge up. It will also charge up. What happens to this person? Will it charge up?
No,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Right. This is like how we are connecting. Actually, this is a capacitor. This is battery. Then one plus and minus. One plate is connected to. It will charge up. Now what you are doing? You are connecting like this. You are having a battery. Plus and minus, you are connecting the both ends to the plus terminal only. Will it charge up? What is the potential difference? 0.
Zero.
Q is equal to CV. Potential difference V is 0. It will not charge up. So it will be counted or not counted?
Not count.
That is called, we can say it is short circuited. Got it, Nana? We can call that as short. What is meant by short circuited? Means both ends are connected to same point. Then it's called shorted. There is no potential difference. Got it, Nana? So who will be active? This point is B. This point also B. This point also B. Then everybody in between B. So this is active A and B, A and B. So these two are parallel, na?
Yes.
Hello. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right. So tomorrow we'll see some problems and all. After doing all the problems, so infinite ladder of capacitors, so many combinations and all, we'll go for next energy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right now. Chalo.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Right now.